Hi, and thanks for visiting. 7 days ago I bought my iMac, and today I'm gonna to share with you what is my experience after 7 days. I'm gonna to help you that you will not regret when you choose one of the three options. So let's start, guys. Okay, so first what I'm gonna to tell you, what is the model. So first we need to take a look in the spec what is the model which we're talking about, right? So let's check my specs, and I chose the first option only, and yeah, and the AMG Radeon Pro graphics cards. So I'm gonna to tell you that this is the first option and I nothing upgrade yet. As you know, you will have always three options to choose. First option will be the my one 31 gigahertz C core. Second option will be the 3.3 gigahertz 6 core, and there you will have also a little bit more boost up to 4.8, and what you have more is SSD, because you will get 512 gig storage. So this is one of the three options, but you have also the most expensive option, which is the third one. So I just want to leave it this third one, because this option is if you have too much money or you want to buy computer forever and you want to use for 10 years, which I don't believe you, because you will change. Soon will be another iMacs, another iMacs, another iMacs. So if you are really need that high specs and you need to upgrade million of times, just do it. Choose the third option, because maybe you, I don't know, graphic designer 3D, or you may be developer of games. So yeah, that's for you. But most of the people like us just considering that it's worth it or no, because we want a good, right? So if you want a good, let's talk about the two of the options. Why? I'm gonna to tell you just now. Okay, so first I'm gonna to tell you why I chose the first option, not the second. It's just like I can show you, it's just price different, really little bit. But why I not choose the second option? Okay, this is the answer. Because the specs, it's really completely the same. It's just like very margin little bit higher, like 3.1 gigahertz. We have here 3.3 gigahertz. I really don't need that. Second is the boot up 4.5, where we have turbo boots up in the second one 4.8. Also I don't need that. I even not believe it that I will reach the limit. So that is really margin I will not thinking even about. And as well, the SSD storage. Maybe you think 250 SSD, it's not enough. Yeah, you're right, it's not enough, because this is very little. But don't forget that SSD you can buy for very low price, lower than everything what you're gonna upgrade in iMac store or Apple store. So what I will suggest you is, if you will need more memory, because you will need, just you will add, you will buy external SSD, which I really recommend to you, because this is the way which you will save money. You have unlimited time and options, and you can really think about how memory you will need. That is what I suggest you about the SSD. Don't spend money to have just bigger built-in memory SSD, because it's not worth it, guys. That's why I choose the first options. Look, guys, how much you can spend on the upgrading your memories and all the functions and the upgrades which they give in iMac. Just don't do this, because you can do on your own for the outside of market Apple, like for example Amazon or wherever you are in the world, Lazada and any other marketplace, and you can definitely find cheaper options. So just skip this one. If you want upgrade, you can just do like I did. You can upgrade your keyboards. I upgrade instant way, so I'm not waiting for upgrade 1 month to send me my iMac. If you want to know how it works and how I did this, you should watch above my another movie, which that I show in my unboxing, and when I showing and explaining how to do to save time and money with upgrading for the biggest keyboard, which I already have here. I just want to tell you something completely different. When I'm trying to shoot this for you guys, I noticed that something happened with Apple Store for like good 40 minutes or even 1 hour. I can get access to the store when I try to get inside to the Apple Store and I try to open and buy iMac. Then I really can do this because they show me that the page is not working, and this is what I'm showing to you now. It's happened to me. I don't know, that's really too much people buying now iMac and there was overloading, or it's just because something happened or something updating there, or maybe they're starting to prepare something special for the new iMac. Maybe they're trying to something change, but I don't want to talk about this today. I just noticed that and I really wanted to share with you guys. Okay, but I just want to tell you why I'm forcing that much you to decide to buy the first option, not the second one, because it's not worth it. Why is that very important to save the money? And this is my answer for you. Look just in my screen. What I'm gonna to show you on my screen, you can buy for the different price Apple Care for your iMac, so your iMac will be more safe. You will save there the 200s, and the 200 you can spend on the Apple Care, which gives 3 years warranty for any damage and 2 safety protection for accident damage. If for example where something happen really accidentally, that you will bang the screen, whatever will fall down. So this is what they're gonna cover. Second very good thing in Apple Care is, like they told me in the store, that if something gonna happen, you just call their must to pick up from you the iMac. You no need to bring it to the store. So we'll pick up, we'll take it from you, we'll fix it. This is the cover. So the £200, which really will protect my iMac. But what I will do with the little bit margin, it's no different. The RAMs I can upgrade on my own, the SSD I can upgrade on my own. So yeah, this is what you can just buy one time when you purchase your iMac, or in 19 days. But you should check this, because in different country and maybe it's different policy, but you have limited of time anyway. So if you will not decide to buy this and something happen with your iMac, you will need to spend a lot of money to fix it. Apple is very clever on that and will charge you really a lot for everything which you did, what's happened to your iMac. So believe me, this is no joke. The Apple Care is very important for all of us. This is no top of the price of iMac. You can just do what I did. Choose the first option, and when you choose the first option, just use the £200 for buy this Apple Care for your iMac. Okay guys, so what is my experience about this first option of iMac? I'm just gonna tell you that I am user, which I working online, which I edit videos for YouTube, I doing everything from shopping to really everything, to watching movies, everything, use it. So my experience in 7 days honestly is very good. You know, when I purchased this, I was thinking about, oh my god, I need to rush myself to upgrade the RAM. Oh my god, I will need to run and buy SSD. I don't know that now. The really spec are really well. The new 10th generation processor doing their job, because I noticed there's everything very fast, and also it's everything very smoothly. So when I'm editing video, I notice I editing very well, super fast. And when you will want to play games, you will see also very good. In the store, of course, told me for games is the second better option, blah blah blah, but this is just marketing, because I really, like I showed you, it's just margin, right? So I think so we did already this homework, and it's still not worth it, and we know that. So yeah, this is the first. I no need to upgrade the RAM very fast. If you will edit your video for YouTube, if you will just use as normal home computer, and if you will work on it online, then you no need to be worried to upgrade very fast the RAM. My experience about this, I wanna tell you really honestly, it's very good, it's very fast, and it's very enough to use this. And yeah, what I like in this iMac, I don't know guys that you have in the previous version or no, because this is my first one, but I like the Siri option, when I can say, hey Siri, can you open Safari? Hey Siri, what is weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 19 degrees.
Everything Siri will do for you. So we'll open every app, we'll try to help you search it in the internet, or even read your notes, calendars, reminders, and something like that set up for you, timers, the all function which you will have in your iPhone or any Apple devices. But in iMac, for me this works so well, because it's like my really assistant. When I'm working, when I'm busy, I don't have time to looking for where is the calculator or to open another app. I just call Siri, that will do for me. And what is happening, Siri, it's opening for me, right? So I can much faster working. It's like they're added to me memory RAM because now I can just working, I can call Siri, and Siri will open me this one, this one, this one, this one. I just really doing my task. So like you can see, usually I'm not recording this type of this video that I talking a lot, but I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I chose the first option. That's why I took the camera and I recording this now for you, because I know that most of you guys, you will think about what to choose. First, second option is the most think about, because it's really similar of price. But I hope that I already help you, and if yes, just click please like. I will really love it, that I will know that I helping to you. And also, if you like my videos, if you want to see more, and you really want to support my channel, which I appreciate it from my heart, then just subscribe now. Thank you if you did. If you're already my subscriber, I want to say once again thank you, and I will repeat it a million times on every video. So thank you very much for watching my video. You can wait for a while, because soon will comes up on my site recommended video. So if you like to see another video, you can just click and watch another video. It's one video more about iMac. Maybe you will like another ones to little know me more and to little know how I reviewing the products. Thank you very much for watching me and see you in next video. Cheers!